This is Bangkal crossing MacArthur Highway and CP Garcia Highway, diversion road sa right, and then bypass road going straight. So look closely on the marks. Both lanes are heading straight. I should wait on this multi-cab just beside this multi-cab at the right, pero nagbalhin ko diri na lane. And the reason why I use the first lane of turning left is that it is easier and safer kay kung dito ko sa outer lane of turning left dol sa multicab ganina, na tendency that the heading straight lanes will still be turning left. So when that happens, mas mauna sila since motorists, they can accelerate faster. And then what happens when going to the other side after the crossing, manglisod na mga cyclists to go back to the outer lane, and it's very prone to crashing, it's very prone to collision. So okay, replay. This is a temporary move only since we do not have the bike lanes yet. The bike lane for turning left should be in this lane, a portion kung asa multicab. No? The bike lane going straight, heading to the bypass road, must be on the outmost right, sa pikas na side. Then the heading straight lanes must be surely enforced na padulong tanan sa bypass road. So cyclists who are turning left will not worry on turning, crossing to the other side kay naanadaan sa outer lane, walay mag-overtake. So along with the protected bike lanes, we need more defensive drivers, responsible drivers, safe-oriented drivers. There must be unity within our transport system.